Hello and welcome to News Mobile Primetime Wrap. I'm Saurabh Shukla. Here are the top news stories of the day.
US President-elect Donald Trump announced that he has selected Warren Stephens, a billionaire investment banker, as his nominee for US ambassador to the United Kingdom. Stephens, a long-time Republican donor, was previously reported to have opposed Trump and contributed to efforts aimed at blocking Trump's 2016 presidential primary bid. However, Stephens later supported Trump's 2024 re-election campaign, donating to a political action committee that backed him. US President-elect Donald Trump said on Monday that he will travel to Paris to attend this weekend's reopening of the Notre Dame Cathedral, which was gutted by fire over 5 years ago, in his first foreign trip since winning the election. India-China ties abnormal since April 2020 when the two militaries clashed in parts of eastern Ladakh, leading to fatalities on both sides for the first time in 45 years, have improved recently, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar told the Lok Sabha on Tuesday, explaining that continuous diplomatic engagement since then has set India-China ties in the direction of some improvement. A bomb threat was received at the Taj Mahal in Agra on Tuesday, which later turned out to be a hoax. The threat was sent through an email to the regional office of Uttar Pradesh Tourism, in which the sender threatened to blow up the Taj Mahal. After the threat email, the bomb disposal squad, a dog squad, and other teams were sent into the Taj Mahal for investigation, but nothing suspicious was found. A picture of Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu lying on a hospital bed has been widely circulated in social media, suggesting that he has been admitted to a hospital. Newsmobile fact-checked the claim and found it to be misleading. We started our investigation by conducting a keyword search on Google to verify if any recent reports corroborated the claim. However, no credible or recent news reports about his hospitalization were found. To further verify, we analyzed the image using the AI detection tools TrueMedia and Hive Moderation, which confirmed the likelihood of the image in question being AI generated. In conclusion, the claim that Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu was recently hospitalized is false, and the viral image is misleading.
Thanks for watching News Mobile Primetime Wrap, and do let us know what do you think of our stories, and do share this video. Thanks for watching.